Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment not complete in your app store. So what actually happens when you have the issue that your payment is not complete? What can you do as well? Well, in the specific thing or and specific intents that you have this issue on your Apple App Store, well, you might have a few issues currently happening on your phone right now. Your payment could not be completed because you might actually be using a specific card or a payment method without any current balance. So let's say that the card that you are using is a debit card and that debit card has no funds or balance in it, so it won't really, well, it's going to be a problem of obviously, especially when you want pay some stuff over on Apple App Store or some paid apps. Also, if you are using a credit card, you might have reached your limit, so that's it's not working anymore and you can't really pay for more anymore. Now in the case that doesn't happen, all you need to do is head over onto your app store, head on to your search, or rather on your profile icon right here, and then what you actually need to do is tap on settings, where you could actually edit your settings and adding a new payment method. Over here you can actually leave your purchase stuff right here. It also opens up some of the stuff over here and access them. You can also see the stuff that is not on this iPhone. Click on done, and once you're done with that, there you have a bunch of other stuff. So basically that's how you can update your new payment method or on your information over on your Apple App Store. But how you can actually pay the remaining balance and fix the payment to be completed, well, of course, once you've actually updated your payment on your Apple ID or your Apple App Store, so over here head on to payment and shipping. Now you could actually view your payment methods over here and stuff like that. You could also add a new payment method if you like to, and a bunch of stuff like that as well. Of course, once you've added your new payment method, you could actually use that in order for you to pay your own bills over on Apple App Store, of course, and solve the problem of the payment not being completed. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.